When you start drawing in MyDraw, you see a single document page. To create a document with multiple pages, you have to insert pages. You can do this by clicking on the Add Page button, located under the drawing page. By default, the pages are named Page 1, Page 2, but you can give them new, more meaningful names. Go to the page that you want to rename, right-click with the mouse, and enter the new page name. If you want to create variations of your drawing, you can choose to duplicate it. Rename and edit the page if necessary. Sometimes, you may decide that you no longer need some of the pages. In order to delete a page, right-click on the unwanted page, and select Delete. If you want to change the page's order, you can do it by dragging and dropping the pages in the order you want. Go ahead and download MyDraw today.